how to reset your Wix website. So what I've done is I've just logged into Wix here. We want to click on our site name in the top left, go to our sites. If you have multiple websites and you want to restore a specific one, then simply find the website and click on select and edit site. Now this is going to load up the dashboard like this. So from the left hand side, we want to scroll down until we see this section for settings. Just click on settings, and now right here we will go into website settings. Now once we're taken to the website settings page, we want to scroll all the way down until we see the section for site history, view and restore previous versions of your site. So click on restore versions, and it's going to load up a list of all of our different saved versions of the website. So from this list, we want to scroll all the way down. It's going to give us a timestamp as well as a date stamp here. So if you want to completely reset your website, this is my very first version of the website here that I have created on the 14th of January. So just click on the arrow right here next to the date and time, and if we click on restore, this is completely going to reset our Wix website to default. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.